Everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're wondering how to deposit checks on Cash App in 2025, I've got you covered. To deposit a check on Cash App, go ahead and open Cash App on your device. Access mobile check deposit. By tapping the banking tab, scroll down and select deposit to check. Manually type in the amount written on the check. Follow the instructions to take a clear photo of the front and the back of the check. Make sure to endorse the back of the check by signing it and writing for mobile deposit only to Cash App. Once you've uploaded the photos, review the details and hit submit. You'll receive a confirmation message if the deposit is successful. After submitting your check, Cash App will process the deposit, and this usually takes 1 to 3 business days, depending on when you submit it. Once the check clears, the funds will appear in your Cash App balance, ready to use. And that's it. Depositing checks on Cash App in 2025 is easy as snapping a photo. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips on managing your money.